Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Are you ready to create stunning viral video ads that could replace 100,000 commercial campaigns? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how creators are using Google VEO 3 and a technique called JSON Prompting to produce mind-blowing AI-generated ads with zero filming, zero crew, and almost zero budget. I'll show you step by step how to do this using Google Gemini, give you access to my favorite prompt box, and share actual examples. From IKEA, Samsung, Apple, to Starbucks, and Tesla that you can recreate or remix today. Let's dive in. Now, what is JSON prompting and why it works? So let's start with the basics. JSON prompting isn't some magical spell that makes your videos look amazing. It's actually a structured way of telling the AI exactly what to create, like giving it a film script with camera direction, style notes, lighting, even characters. Think of it like this. Instead of saying a box opens with something cool inside, you're telling the AI close-up shot of a mysterious black box on a wooden table, warm ambient lighting, soft camera pan, box opens slowly, bright glow escapes, product levitates, something like that. By writing prompts like this using JSON format, which is just a way to structure data in JavaScript, you give the AI clear instructions on what should happen scene by scene. It's not required, but for certain types of ads, especially unboxing, cinematic product reveals, and transformation scenes, JSON style prompting makes a massive difference. Now, to make these ads, you'll need to access Google VEO 3, one of the most powerful text to video AIs available right now, or you can use Google Gemini. So, for this example, we're going to use Google Gemini. Now, to create JSON prompting, let's go to ChatGPT. Click on GPTs on the left side and search on JSON prompting. Make sure you click this one, VEO 3 prompter plus JSON, no subtitles. So I have here a prompt. I said generate a cinematic prompt for an Apple product launch. Then I just click on submit and then the AI generated the JSON prompt for me. So let's copy this one and let's go to Gemini. So search on gemini.google.com. So make sure you're on paid subscription. Now down here in the prompt box, click on video and let's paste in our prompt from ChatGPT and click on submit. Now let's wait for a moment and it will give us the best result. So here's the result. So that's how you launch a product. It's subtle, powerful, iconic, sleek execution. Could use a touch more motion close up, but overall this feels like Apple level. Now let's make something cool like an IKEA unboxing transformation. So here's the basic workflow. Write your JSON style prompt, example this one, and let's paste it in Google Gemini. Hit generate. That's it. Wait for a few seconds. And boom, your first video is ready. If you're not happy with the result, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Just tweak the descriptions or try different phrasing. I have another prompt and I said generate a cinematic prompt for a Starbucks product launch. Then we have here the JSON prompt, copy and paste it on Gemini. Click on submit. And here's the result. This is insane.
Starbucks. Start your day.
This is quite good. Actually, in my experience, you may want to try it a few times because sometimes it doesn't work as good as we hope to. So, yeah, you need to try it a few times.
It's not just technology, it's part of your story. Samsung Turn, inspired by life. It's not just technology, it's part of your story. Samsung Turn, inspired by life. Crafted to impress, powered to lead. Samsung Signature Edition.
Now let's be real. A few months ago, generating full-blown ads like this would have cost like tens of thousands of dollars, required a film, gear, editing actors, the whole deal. Now it's a prompt and a click away. Using JSON style prompting with Google VO3 is like giving the AI a shot list and a storyboard all in one. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, agency owner, this is a massive opportunity. You can create viral product ads, make high converting e commerce promos, design branded content for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, impress clients, and close deals with mock up ads before anything's filmed. So if you want to try this out yourself, use the prompt bot, link in the description below. Start building with Google VO3 or Google Gemini. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Videsha, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads. Videsha crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Videsha handle the rest. Videsha gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Videsha now. Just go to getvidesha.in.